Get up. To wake up and leave your bed. She gets up early for school. He can't get up because he is too tired. Make the bed. To arrange your blanket and pillows neatly after waking up. She makes the bed before breakfast. He forgot to make his bed today. Brush the teeth. To clean your teeth with a toothbrush. I brush my teeth twice a day. They brush their teeth before going to bed. Comb the hair. To use a comb to make your hair tidy. She combs her hair after a shower. They comb their hair in front of the mirror. Get dressed. To put on clothes. I get dressed quickly in the morning. They get dressed before breakfast. Have breakfast. To eat your first meal in the morning. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. She has breakfast with her family. Drive to work. To go to your workplace by car. He drives to work because it's faster. She doesn't like driving to work in traffic. Have lunch. To eat your midday meal. She has lunch at her desk. He has lunch with his coworkers. Go for a walk. To take a walk for exercise or relaxation. He went for a walk after work. She goes for a walk to clear her mind. Make dinner. To prepare the evening meal. She makes dinner for her family. He makes dinner when he gets home early.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!